What is this product about? Digi Agency AI is a brand new training program and software designed to help you become a sought-after local expert with a high-earning consulting agency. You'll quickly eliminate your clients' biggest headaches, attract more customers, and boost their profits while getting paid handsomely in return. With a simple 3-step process, you can offer AI-powered follow-up services that deliver fast results at an incredible value. Your clients will be thrilled to pay $500, $700, $900, or even $1,000 to effortlessly set these set-and-forget robots on their sites. No technical skills or marketing experience are required. In fact, even if we trained you in person, you wouldn't need it. This online training is so simple, you'll have no trouble mastering it. The plan and tools are proven to work. And now they're available for you to grab. Plus, what they teach isn't just theory. You can easily duplicate the steps. Step 1. Grab your leads. First, you'll grab your leads. It's as simple as clicking your mouse. But don't underestimate it, these are top-quality leads. Your future clients ready to take action. You will use Prady's software to identify your targeted leads. Step 2. Check their business. With the power of the Digi Agency AI system, you'll thoroughly analyze their business, all done online. This sets you up for positive responses from potential clients. Step 3. Make your offer. Finally, you'll use a clever foot-in-the-door approach and follow up with your main offer, automating their follow-up process with the AI-powered assistants using pre-installed emails. That's it. You're all set. Oh, one more thing, don't forget to collect your handsome fee up front before installing their follow-up assistant.